Welcome to Herb Notes. I'm Tara Ruth. Thyme offers a familiar, pungent taste to every dish it graces, and thyme also has a rich history as a medicinal herb with a wide range of benefits. Want to learn more about the gifts of thyme? Let's dive into 3 key benefits of thyme. 1. Thyme for immune support. Thyme is particularly supportive for upper respiratory infections like colds and the flu. When I have congestion, a sore throat, or a cough, I like to gargle with a thyme tea or do a steam inhalation with thyme tea, made with the fresh thyme leaves. 2. Thyme for digestive health. Cooking with this aromatic herb can help address digestive stagnation, like gas and bloating. The antibacterial properties of thyme can also help support the health of the gut microbiome. 3. Thyme for natural house cleaning. Thyme can also help you clean your home. Infusing vinegar with dried thyme leaves can make for a wonderful all-purpose antimicrobial cleaner that easily cuts through grease. And just a few notes of caution when working with thyme. Medicinal amounts of thyme should be avoided during pregnancy and lactation. Allergic reactions to thyme are generally considered rare, and all the benefits I'm talking about are with thyme leaves infused into teas, tinctures, steams, and vinegar. Thyme essential oil is much stronger than all these preparations and should be worked with in very small, diluted amounts under the guidance of a trained clinical aromatherapist. Want to learn more about the benefits of other common herbs? Visit herbnotes.cards to grab a deck of our top 12 herb notes. You'll learn all about herbs like elderberry, chamomile, and more. This has been Herb Notes with me, Tara Ruth. Catch you next time.